In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a note on Substack the easiest way possible. Whether you're clearing out old notes or cleaning up your online presence, this guide will walk you through the simple steps to get the job done efficiently. First things first, we'll start by heading to your Substack home. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Substack's homepage. Make sure you're logged into your account, as this tutorial requires access to your personal dashboard. It's important to ensure that you're signed into the correct account if you manage multiple profiles. Once you're on your Substack home, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your account icon there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu where several options are listed. The aim here is to access the right section that allows you to manage your notes. Next, from the drop-down menu, you should see an option labeled Profile. Click on your profile to proceed. Entering your profile is necessary to view and manage all of your activities on Substack. This step gets us closer to where notes are stored. After accessing your profile, the next step involves clicking on the Activity tab. The activity section is essentially a hub for everything you've done on Substack. This includes all the notes you've published. Clicking here will present you with a list showcasing all your recent activity. Now, browse through your list of activities until you spot the note you want to delete. Once you've found it, look for the three-dot icon located next to the note. This icon usually represents additional options that aren't immediately visible. Clicking it will unveil a set of actions you can perform on that note. With the additional options revealed, you're ready for the next part. Clicking Delete. This step is crucial. Click on Delete from the menu that appears, but hold on, there's one more confirmation step to ensure you don't accidentally delete something important. To finalize your action, a confirmation prompt will appear. Don't worry, this is just an additional step to make sure you're absolutely certain about deleting the note. Confirm your intention by clicking Delete one final time. Once you complete this, the note will be permanently deleted from your Substack activities, and there you have it, a straightforward, efficient way to delete a note on Substack. By following these steps, you ensure that your Substack space remains organized and clutter-free. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore other tutorials on optimizing your online presence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content.